have some great news for you. I want to share Norwex cleaning products with you. Now, I know cleaning products are boring. It sounds ridiculous, but this is a miracle cloth. And I have to tell you about it because it revolutionized my cleaning system. Seriously. My girlfriend Sherry Stimmel has been telling me about this for the last year, and I've been blowing her off. I'm sorry, Sherry, shouldn't have done that. Should have paid attention. One night I couldn't sleep and I was watching her videos and I was amazed. So I had purchased some stuff from her, but I didn't use it. And I think people have heard about Norwex. They just don't know how to use it, kind of like me. And so now that I know, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I cannot wait to share this information with you because you will be amazed just like me. Speaking of amazing, I'm going to show you a demonstration. Watch this. Butter on the microwave. Watch. Look at that. Gone. Take the polishing cloth. Look. See what I mean? Amazing. So you only need these two products to clean your whole house. It doesn't stink. You just wash it out at the end of the day with hot water and let it hang to refresh. You can use it on your stainless steel. Don't need the stainless steel spray anymore because this stuff is amazing. All you need is water. Water! Who knew? So you can get rid of the Windex. Oops, sorry, the glass cleaner. You should see my mirrors. They phenomenal is my word. Seriously. Don't need this. Don't need the cleanser anymore. Don't need this cleaner anymore. Don't need that because I have my little handy dandy polishing mitt that grabs the dust. Done. Can't wait to do my blinds with this. Don't need the floor cleaner anymore because with the mop system you clean the floors with water. Don't need this anymore because everything is sterile, if you can believe that. Because of that sulfur that's in there, it keeps it from collecting bacteria. Gosh, I know. Paper towels. I go through cases of paper towels for cleaning. Gone. Granite. I always use a granite cleaner. Don't need it anymore. This leaves a glossy finish that actually looks a lot better than the cleaner I was using. Done. Who knew? This, seriously, has made cleaning fun.